guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something interesting, something I put off for a while. I've never done it before, so we're going to learn about it together. I've only seen a couple videos that address this situation right here. So I have a huge pothole that's washed out where my driveway meets the street. Alright guys, so here's what we're doing. We're going to use this QPR, which is the quality pavement repair. So it's like a gooey asphalt. And then the back of the bag, I only bought 2 bags. It's around $16, $17 at Lowe's. So it just says to clear all the debris out of the area and then spread this out and flatten it out and then tamp it down. So you can see this is the main hole that we're going to be filling. We just had a surprise visit from the Wanderlust handy wife.
Never know what I'm going to find when I come home.
All right, we're going to get back to it. Enough distractions for you, lady. So this doesn't cover as much space as I was hoping, and I figured that would be the case. It's supposed to stay malleable for about a week, they say, and it'll just start hardening over time. So you can drive on it immediately, is what they say, which is good because I accidentally parked my car on the other side of it, and I have to leave soon. So I'll be driving on it in about an hour. So I hope it does very good. All right, guys, we are done. All that I know to do with this. So now the real test is going to be giving this about a week or so to see how well it hardens up. So guys, quick update on the driveway. The QPR has held very well. It hardened in just a few days. We've had a lot of rain since, and it has done incredible. It's staying in place. I may go back and buy some more to fill in some other holes, but overall, I would definitely recommend it. I didn't do anything special other than just tamping it down. And yeah, so if you need some driveway repair, I definitely recommend the QPR. Have a good day.